folks, I'm Jim.
And I'm Jeff.
And that's Zeus, one of our little boys. We are married and going to teach you folks how to cook. We're going to be making some authentic Italian recipes from my Italian family.
Delicious, scrumptious Italian recipes.
Looking forward to seeing you all online real soon.
So good afternoon, everybody. This is Jeff of Jim and Jeff fame, the husband's homebound cooking show. Today we're going to do homemade gnocchi with pesto sauce.
Cut in quarters, and they're simmering to a boil. Getting them fork tender first. Then we'll drain them and dry them. And we'll continue mixing the recipe.
So you know, we have our kitchen mascot hanging on the pantry door, watching over us while we cook. He looks vaguely Italian. So we've got everything prepped and ready to go. The potatoes have been rinsed and drained, steaming nicely, preparatory to ricing them and getting them ready to make the gnocchis. You've got flour waiting to be kneaded in the dough. You've got egg to add, salt and pepper to taste. We're going to do it all right here on the counter.
A little bit of salt added to it.
You can see the potatoes came out now nice and dry, just the consistency you want before you start mixing them. A little salt in there as well. Now we're going to add some egg. 1 egg beaten.
You know, I'm going to burn my hands.
And some flour.
Getting nice and thick. Still a little bit tackier than I like to work with because we have to roll it.
A few minutes later, you can see the gnocchi is resting on the counter. We're going to cover it and refrigerate it for a little bit just to firm it up and get it ready for cooking. And we will be back when it's time to make the pesto.
We diced up the basil ahead of time and got it all prepped and ready, made sure we didn't have any big stems in it. But now we're going to add some garlic to the basil. Looks like a lot, but this is pesto, guys. Supposed to be. Most people use walnuts and pine nuts. I don't because I'm allergic to them. I can use pine nuts, but they didn't have any. toss them gnocchis. So you can get everything mixed. Then get a spoon. Especially today, you don't want to be using fingers. Because I want to see if it's got enough bite to it. Nope. Looks like a lot of garlic. And we want to be a little bit looser. Because like I said, we're not spreading it on toast. We're actually putting it in with the gnocchis after we cook them. Now we'll let Jeffrey try it and see what he thinks. See, it's got that greeny, runnier look to it. That goes better on pasta. Is that enough garlic?
Yep.
Yeah. And that, my friends, is your pesto. Instead of using a red sauce, marinara sauce, and yes, if it's red, it is a sauce. It's not gravy in my world, but in some people's world, they call the red sauce gravy. Gravy is brown to me. The last little ditty, little bit of pepper. Not too much because the basil's got a bite. Do a mix. Pesto's ready to go in the fridge until we're ready to put it on.
The gnocchis are in heavily salted water. People often forget to salt the water. It's for taste as well as boiling. They're done after about 4 minutes when they start to float. We're looking forward to dressing everything up and chowing down. So here you have homemade potato gnocchi with pesto sauce, also homemade. And on the side, tomato, basil, red onion salad with balsamic dressing. We are having an Italian feast on this day, blah, 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 of quarantine. Buon appetito!